Joe, you can have the truck there for Eva at 5 a.m. tomorrow? Looks like we're all set.
Amazing. Thanks for the last minute help, Zeke. Give me 1 sec to get the order approved on my end.
Of course. It's always nice to get FaceTime with a customer, especially when they represent such a big part of our business. Of course, with Eva, things can get a little awkward.
Thanks, boss. Zeke's the best. He's been a great account manager. Plus, I always look forward to seeing him. We have so much in common. We're good. You can charge it to the account.
Excellent.
It's a shame you won't let me take you out to lunch to say thank you. I know I offered it last time, but you're busy. I get it.
Yeah, you know how it gets around here.
Well, actually, don't you love this band?
Wow. Yeah, I do.
Yeah, they're playing Friday. I just happen to have 2 tickets. They're really good seats. Think about it and let me know.
I thought I made it clear the last couple of times that I didn't want to go out with her. What should I do here?